There are certain lifestyle habits that age us faster, even though we are unaware of them. Therefore, if we are able to recognize them and give them up, we can slow down the process and stop adding years onto our bodies. We usually consider genes to be the main culprits for aging, but according to Olay senior scientist Dr. Frackenusser, it doesn't have to be the case. The genetic makeup of a person doesn't determine how a person's skin will age. A recent study in partnership with Harvard Medical School showed that even though a small proportion of the population forms a group of genetically exceptional agers, our skincare habits have a more powerful effect on the way our skin ages. Nusser adds, "This study demonstrates that nurture is more important than nature and that people can throw away their genetic advantages with poor lifestyle choices." According to Dr. Sandra Hunter, Associate Professor of Exercise Science, what can we do to slow the aging process? Because physical aging can be accelerated by environmental factors such as lack of physical activity, regular exercise can offset physical aging and improve quality of life. These are the habits that make us age faster. 1. Smoking. Smoking increases the risk of lung, skin, and throat cancer, and it also accelerates the aging process. Even if you decide to give it up, it would be very difficult to reverse the effects it has caused on your skin and body. Maybe there is no fountain of youth, but there is a surefire way to make yourself look older. Smoking changes the skin, teeth, and hair in ways that can add years to your looks. It also affects everything from your fertility to the strength of your heart, lungs, and bones. 2. Lack of physical activity. Physical inactivity shortens life and makes you age fast. Yet, you do not need to start lifting weights immediately, as any form of exercise would be beneficial. Dr. Mark Tarnopolsky, MD, PhD says that a person can slow the speed at which they age by exercising regularly. 3. Not lowering blood pressure. In most cases, people overlook the importance of lowering blood pressure, but it turns out the early stages of hypertension, those you experience in your 20s, 30s, and 40s, and high blood pressure, have a very real impact on how old you look. Even though you aren't getting heart attack-like symptoms, you are aging faster than you should, and those around you can tell. 4. High cholesterol levels. Make sure you get enough good cholesterol and reduce the bad one, in order to support overall health and remain younger. 5. Being overweight. Overweight people age faster, so in order to keep the mind and body younger, make sure you lose extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. 6. Not enjoying life. People who do not understand the essence of life and do not live life to the fullest, usually have worse health, face numerous health issues, and age faster. According to Vogue. Never underestimate the power of positive thinking. Further research from Olay's study on aging found that a cheerful outlook may actually contribute to the way you age. The reason is twofold. Firstly, it boils down to the notion that those with an optimistic outlook naturally appear younger than those around them. So while someone may actually be getting older in a similar way to others in their age group, they may appear younger due to their sunny disposition. Secondly, we all know the effects that stress can have on our complexions. Hello, deadline breakout. A positive attitude lowers stress levels and, in turn, reduces the prevalence of stress-related skin concerns. 7. Giving up on education. Education can be inaccessible for many people, but in case you can afford it, get as high of an education as you can, as it will positively affect your life. Namely, it has been shown to improve health, rejuvenate, and lead to longevity. 8. Not practicing meditation. Meditation is an ideal way to fight anxiety and stress, focus on positivity, and age slower. One study has found that meditation mitigates stress-related cognitions and propagation of negative emotions and negative stress arousal. A long-standing practice of mindfulness or other forms of meditation may indeed decelerate cellular aging. Therefore, instead of buying expensive makeup and beauty products to reverse the effects of premature aging, try to stay young in a natural way. Start living a healthy life, and you will rejuvenate your spirit, body, and mind.